Everyone knows the Blue Book Network has the nation's largest database of qualified service providers. But can they solve all my outsourcing needs? Spoiler alert, yes they can. You've got maintenance requests, repairs, service contracts. You need vendors from HVAC, snow removal, paving, electrical, roofing, landscaping, and more. The Blue Book's got you covered. TheBlueBook.com is at your fingertips 24/7. Quickly find and connect with 600 plus trades to build new relationships, saving you time, resources, and staying within budget. Enhance your vendor workflow here, right now. Simply go to TheBlueBook.com and search the trade and service location you need. Within seconds, you have an immediate access to local qualified service providers. Click on a company to view their credentials, including their key contacts, qualifications, services, and more. Next, select one or more companies and click on the Request a Quote button to directly communicate your service request. Messaging your service request is simple. Choose project, equipment, materials, and products. Need more vendors? To self-drive, click here. Or click here, and we'll do the work for you. Submit your request. Invited vendors will review your request, and you'll start getting responses from interested vendors right away. Bonus, our service is 100% free. Put the power of the Blue Book Network to work for you. Visit thebluebook.com and start today.